And welcome back. We'd like to take a moment to thank all of you at home watching our coverage of the blizzard of 2025 yesterday.
That's right. The KLFY news team worked hard throughout the storm to bring you the most up-to-date information, but that doesn't mean we didn't have a chance to have ourselves a little fun in the snow as well. Take a look.
We'll be back with more Pop Spot 2 after the break. Believe it or not, talk about a beautiful sunset.
Slide down, friends. We out here live, baby. Snowstorm Acadiana 2025. Woo! Oh, man. That scared me.
How deep the snow, oh my gosh, just a little under 9 inches, maybe a little over 6, what, 6.5, 7 inches of snow on the vehicle.
It's a lot of snow.
Wow.